Hey guys, what's going on? Hope that all is well. Another exciting day in the cryptoverse. So, my apologies, I'm not in a place that has good lighting, but I just had to get the video out anyway. And, I keep getting a bunch of private messages. Hey, it's better when we can see you regardless. I'm like, all right, so cool. I'm always on the go somewhere. I've snuck into a room right now, away from the kids, just helped them with some homework and stuff, here to look at some charts. So, let me move my noggin out of the way here. Cool. So I want to talk to you guys about a 10x coin, guys, and that is none other than CRO. Okay. Now I did a video a little while back and I talked about these exchange tokens that were ready to explode. KuCoin is blowing up. Huobi token as well is growing. It was at a low. It was at a great buying price. And now CRO has done something very, very important. I've been waiting for this thing to happen for quite some time. Let me pull out a chart that actually has my lines drawn. Okay, is it OKX? Which one? Sorry guys, I got something with a line in here somewhere. What's going on, guys? Okay, so crypto.com just recently got listed on Coinbase, right? So of course, you're going to see a little bit of a sell-off. That's fine. That's what normally happens when something gets listed. You think, oh, immediately it's going to skyrocket. But a lot of times it's like that buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. When something is official, then a sell-off always happens. Don't ask me why. I have no idea, but that's just how it is. So anyway, not that big a deal in the grand scheme of things. And I'm going to show you why. I need something with a lot of history. Or that would have to be Bittrex then. It's got to be the Bittrex chart. All right, so let me zoom out. Okay, I want you to see something here. All right, see the crypto.com started off at, I think it was like at 1 cent at some point in time. This was in March 2020, just a year and a half ago, right? So, it's up about 6x, which is not that much in a bull market. And that's the exciting part because this thing is just getting started. Now, as you can see, let's go ahead and put in our support and resistance levels here. Let's take a look at what's going on. So we see that this level here was significant, right? We came up near it, came back down, pushed through, came back down, pushed through, got rejected here for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks straight. Okay, 5 weeks straight of resistance from this line. The resistance was so strong that after we couldn't break through, we ended up shooting all the way back down. And I mean, we came down this was from 22 cents down to 8 cents, guys, right? So, right, that was like 60% or something like that. And now here we are coming back up again. And we made our way up. And here we are, we attacked this point, and now we've broken through very decisively, right? Very decisively. This wasn't just like I barely got over. This is a very decisive, very strong looking move. We still have 3 days left in this weekly candle, so we'll have to see how that plays out. We are starting to stretch outside of the Bollinger Bands. We are starting to go into overbought territory here on the weekly. We're in overbought territory as well on the daily. And just about everything we're in we're high, we're in that high territory right now. So I guess a cool off would be coming soon if we do have a dip, or when we do have a dip. The most important thing is that we hold above this line, right? I'm gonna move this up a little bit. I'd say somewhere in this 21 to 22 cent range. That was significant resistance that we've broken through. We come down, if we take a dip that far down and we come back down here, then as the saying goes, I'm backing up the truck. I'm loading up even more on CRO. I've been loading up consistently for the past several days. I've been buying like every day. And that was when we were around 22, bought a little bit more at 23, bought a little bit more at 24, bought a little bit more at 25. But here is why I'm telling you now that this thing is going to explode. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to zoom out. Look at this wick, guys. You see that? Here's something that I find that charts do. Charts, in a sense, they like tell you the future, right? And you always find that eventually, even if there was a major wick, whether it's up or down, right, you usually find that sometime in the future, that thing ends up playing out, right? And I absolutely know that crypto.com is worth. I mean, to be honest, I think this coin is worth at least $25 if you ask me. So getting to $2 is really nothing, and I definitely think we're going to get back up there to that. As you can see, what we're doing right now, we are breaking above this major, again, resistance line, right? This is where this was the top of this candle. This is where we're fighting right now, guys. So to break above that, come back down, cool off, confirm support. And as you can see on this weekly, we have a tight squeeze here in the Bollinger Bands. So from this tight squeeze, and now we're starting to break out, right, of this tight squeeze. Anytime you get a tight squeeze on the Bollinger Bands, that means a major move is coming. Guys, look for that. Crypto.com, they're the official sponsor of like UFC. They are a jersey sponsor for the Philadelphia 76ers. Crypto.com is everywhere. They're very aggressive now with their marketing. That was the only thing that was missing. They have everything going on that Binance has. They have DEXs. They have their own chain. They have loads and loads of staking rewards, especially if you actually stake the CRO token itself, right? Just like, I guess, Binance would give you BNB rewards. But they have this thing called a syndicate, where it's basically like a funding pool where, again, you can just stake your CRO. You're not giving it away. You're still in full control of it. You're getting more and more of these other coins that are being offered, and you get other coins at like a 50% discount when they do the syndicate. You have the supercharger, where, again, for staking your own CRO, you get access to these other coins for free. It's just free money, right? So in addition to that, guys, they have had their very own card for the longest time. They've had their own debit card long before Binance came out with it. They had it from the previous bull run. Okay, my daughter just came into the room, so I could only escape for so long, right? But yeah, so they have all these things going on, guys. So this is major. The other thing that you got to see is, let me pull up the CRO BTC chart, because of course you also want to get more Bitcoin, right? Nia, shh. I need you to be quiet, please. Daddy's making a video. Okay. All right. Now look at this, guys. I drew out this line. We've been under this line after CRO, first of all, dipped versus Bitcoin from all the way from 1,500, 1,600 Satoshis, dropped, like 80%, 85%, something like that, versus Bitcoin. Then it made this little move up to about 450, 470 Satoshis. And it has been consolidating sideways for not one, not two, not three, not four, but we're going on 9 months, almost 9 months now. Crypto.com CRO versus BTC has been consolidating sideways. Guys, that there's never been a bigger signal in terms of a big move is coming. A huge move is coming. Let's look over here. It was consolidating sideways right here from August to December, just 4 months. August, September, October, November, December, right? So yeah, 4 months. And after it made this move out of this tight squeeze here on the Bollinger Bands, then we had a move from 400 Satoshis. We went up 400%, right? From consolidating for 4 months. Now we are consolidating for 9 months, almost a year. We literally have been moving sideways. This spells explosion, guys. This thing is going to explode. So it's still early in my humble opinion. I definitely think this is a coin that I will hold for years. They also do have the brand crypto.com. Think about it. When all of the people that are thinking, okay, how do I, get into cryptocurrency? Crypto.com. It's one of the first things you even think about. The app is like flawless. You can purchase it really easily. If you stake CRO, you can get your debit card. And then when you use your card anywhere, right, you get cashback rewards on things like Netflix and all kinds of guys. They have so much going on. I know you guys must be laughing at me right now. They have so much things going on. It's not funny. So I'm telling you, this definitely is a minimum 10x coin. I think for this bull run, minimum 10x coin. Like I said, in my humble opinion, if Binance is worth $500, there's no reason why this coin should not be worth $25 to $50 easily, in my opinion. So there's nothing more I can say about that, guys. This definitely is a 10x coin. Watch out for that. For us, just to get back to the previous all-time high, but before we get there, we're going to run into major resistance really at this level. We're going to run into major resistance here, right? But even for us just to get there, that is almost 400% away, right? That's 400% away in Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin doubles, that's basically 800% in profits versus the US dollar. All right. So that's 8x gains just right there. And that doesn't even include all the way up here like we were talking about, right? From its previous all-time high, it is still 800% away. And 800% away, if Bitcoin doubles, when Bitcoin doubles at a minimum, then that's 16x away, right? So guys, once again, those are all the reasons why I definitely say this is a 10x coin and you should have some. All right. Take care, guys. Until the next video, got more coming up. See you guys soon.